Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. TV, it's the CAF Champions League, Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by Mr. Versace Eros.
Hey boss, T, what was it, my guy?
Keep out you over. I'm not.
I'm not sure.
Sure.
First things first, Tiwo. Sama Parenas Jabulile.
Sure.
I would like to talk to my coach, Mr. Rivero, for not replying to your emails.
Yeah.
So I was busy with some work.
Sure.
And then I hope the decision that you have taken, you can just think twice about leaving us.
Yeah.
We love you, as Orlando Pirates fans. We still need you.
Yeah.
You are giving us joy each and every time. Like we're cruising nicely because of you, young tall.
Yeah.
So I think as South Africans, as a Pagania, me per se, I still want you in the team.
Yeah.
I just wish you would maybe everything that you want, the management of Orlando Pirates can put it and then to the table and then you get to be right.
Yeah, very.
Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for flying the South African flag high yesterday.
Yes.
I'm really proud of them.
Sure.
And then two South African teams by Uguma semi-finals.
Sure.
We are happy as South Africans.
Yeah.
Young Tola. They are going to with maybe yesterday, Mamelodi Sundowns, Paropile, they've gained and everything.
Yes.
My brother, if maybe you are an amateur to football,
yes,
you will talk like that.
Yeah.
North African teams, they've been benefiting a lot, my guy.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
Young Tola. So now it's high time ukuthi nathi sizwise ukubenefita CAF, young tall, because they've been bullying us.
Definitely.
Young tall.
Yeah.
So if you don't know the magnitude of playing in CAF,
sure,
you will talk the way you could with the Sundowns.
Yeah.
Where were they when Senzo Meyiwa Sitlala and TP Mazembe? The game was not even televised. Usenzo Meyiwa saved a penalty too. I saved about the retake. Where were they? Young tall. Where were they? Usenzo Bakashaywa Ngama and everything. Where were they? Where Orlando Pirates was given a hotel with food in nama Brooklaks in nama Castaway ukuthi ama player isiso serana beloko batla ngapha young tall. So the most corrupt teams in Africa ilaba baphezulu man. They are so corrupt. Young tall. So we just have to thank Mr. Motsepe for being there, for making Guti's Konubon and a cave. Because if you can remember, cave, it was something Guti baby, it was not televised, young tall, and then it was corrupt. Even the last game that we played with the team that we were playing today, Alcha.
Sure.
The referee, every decision that we were taking, he was dragging us down. Every decision that we was taking, he was favoring the Alcha team, young tall.
Yeah.
So. My brother, it's high time with not benefit. So whatever happens, as long as the South African team is winning, I don't have a problem.
No flop.
No flop. But I want to CAF they will just talk and then say CAF is one of the corrupt young tall. Things were happening there. Now everything is better now.
Sure.
Because of young tall. So talking about the game here today.
Sure.
The game went well.
Yeah.
Congratulations to our supporters we Orlando Pirates support.
Sure.
Young tall. Management we Orlando Pirates were nice. Now my friends were right. I'm just a little bit disappointed the way fans will the other team behaving at the end of the game, young tall.
Definitely.
We don't need to fight, guys.
Yeah.
If you want to fight with us, let's fight inside the pitch. 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Young tall. Ipolo would live fair and square.
Sure.
The only team that mina kona manje, engi sabayo, like maybe I'm afraid of, it's Pyramids. The rest is history. Don't tell me about Mamelodi Sundowns. Don't tell me about Al Ahly.
Yeah.
Akusana next. Sekusela amagama lapho.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
No Sundowns.
Kusela amagama nje kuphela ukuthi hey ama-Google FCs.
Sundowns.
Yangithola ama-Google FCs njengabo Kaizer Chiefs. Sekusela amagama. Abo Al Ahly abasekho nkabi yami. Yangithola.
Yeah.
So the only team mina ngibona ukuthi maybe izosiphi tough time is Pyramid.
Yeah.
Sandlula ku Pyramid. Sure for catch, we are taking the second star.
It's over.
And then you know ukuthi yonke into vele icala ngathi jo.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns cannot take a second star thina singakayithatha.
Never.
So we are going to take the second star. Sindlula ku Pyramid. Ama-Google FC asebenzi ngawo.
Yeah.
Amagama amakhulu nje they were like this, they were what. Ayisekho now. We're talking about present tense.
Yes.
Ungangitshela ngama past tense. Into
In my
zakudala in my time my father was rich. What. No. Not anymore. Yangithola. And then come Sunday.
Yeah.
Escotini.
Yeah.
We are going to defend our trophy Nedbank Cup. Yangithola. We are going to be I'm going to be here. We are going to play with the team Stepile Likini.
Sure.
Bathini Marumo Gallants. They must just wait for ukuthi babhacula ukuthi ebelibona angeke sibabekela amanzi because of Stepile angisho bana ukuthi thina nje sidlala careful defend ama Nedbank sigijimisa ama league yangithola ukuthi bona yonke into is all about Orlando Pirates this and Orlando Pirates yangithola so what I can say ukuthi khona manje amabhakashushu they must come support the team Saturday. Sure for catch, we are going to the final.
Sure.
With Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
It's a fact.
Yes.
We are going to the final in Nedbank with Mamelodi Sundowns.
Not
and
cheese.
It can be. Yabona into leyithini.
Now he's cooking a stone.
Pheka ukudla okungavuthi. Yangithola. Pheka amatshe lo muntu lo.
Ubaba uthi uqalisela phansi wena next season. Bob steak.
Ubhobu shaya ama-wheats kubhizi yokhuluma. Bowina kanjani? I-chairperson yabo ibhizi shayana nama-wheats.
Angashayile na.
Hey, you see, i-Orlando Pirates River yahamba. Bathi bani coachara yawo la. Athi nathi sispector senze so after 2 seasons kana. Yeah, what ngithi marathi man. Athi into lefuna unama. Ufuna unama ngithi marathi Hortman. Angaka marathi pra khuluma so. Ngithi marathi bicho. For real. So we expect kanjani ukuthi team yenze kahle. Even not today. Nama team lawo Esperance izolo. Izolo. The only problem ebanayo maybe I think ukuthi bazozwa today. The only problem is because of we are not playing against the African teams. We are just playing against Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns maybe. Yeah. So if maybe the Kaizer Chiefs can just shift away from favoring the Lama team now, maybe these teams they can do better. Because even Saturday, definitely sure for catch ukuthi amanye amakhosi zabala babhizi bagcwele ngapha babhizi bazelo kumina bayekela ukuya le ku Loftus le bayothola induku lapha le Loftus
mazaminya yini
mazaminya thina lana yabona so ayina nkinga jo I even failed to see the man of the match because of the way the things that were happening there azange ngakhona ukubona I don't know who's the man of the match
Maria personal ngathi umbokazi your personal
mine personal
your personal
mina
personal
for me for me because I ngifike after convoy and everything ngifike after second half so I didn't see
full
match full 90 but if it's Mbogati, it's Mbogati. I cannot. I'm not surprised because of the boy is doing wonders. Young tall. So big ups to Orlando Pirates, to the supporters, and then please guys, if Siadlala abomakhelwane what they must just stay away ba right bona ba favor la team amanye la ungazuza umuntu elathi we are going with Orlando banamanga la bantu yeah they are here to minya for us so it doesn't matter pick up Orlando Pirates and then Rivero my guy I know what you'll see me. Don't leave me, man. You know I love you, my brother. Why are you doing this to me? Rivero. Check my emails. We'll communicate, my brother.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you.